like a fringe cut last week, as you can see, and I feel like it's still adjusting to my face. So it is about 9:30 in the morning on a Friday, and I'm going to head to a meeting this morning. Just have to get dressed and yeah, wear something warm because it's really cold today. What is the temperature actually? It is 9 degrees and raining. I kind of want to wear something that's like chic but casual but warm, if you know what I mean. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll probably already know, but if not, we settled on our place this week, which is literally so exciting. So I went to it last night. We had dinner on the floor because we clearly have no furniture there at the moment, and we had like a little picnic and got some takeaway and just like enjoyed the fact that we are now homeowners. I ended up going with this outfit. It is very warm, so I've just got a turtleneck, which is from Uniqlo, on this navy blue jumper, which is from the Frankie shop, Levi jeans that you guys know I wear all the time, like almost every day, and these white Reebok sneakers. I actually just got these ones in from Louisa Via Roma, I think maybe a week ago, and I've probably worn them like every single day since then. I've also put on this Garni puffer jacket because it is raining outside, so if I get wet, obviously this will hopefully help a little bit. I've been wearing the exact same perfume for literally the last 2 weeks. I really love this one. I don't really know how to explain a scent, but I would definitely say if you've got an opportunity to smell this one in store or something, definitely go and do so because it's amazing. Anyways, this is my final outfit. Okay, let's go. I seriously don't want to get out of the car right now. Before we continue on this video, I wanted to very quickly thank my sponsor, which is Casetify. As I'm sure this comes as absolutely no surprise to you guys now, given how many times I have worked with Casetify. I absolutely adore their phone cases. I have been using them now for so many years. I literally have like a million different options. Their cases are slim, they're protective, and they're stylish, and they also come in tons of different designs so that you can pick your favorite color or print to match your personal style and also your everyday outfits. I often like to match my phone case to whatever I'm wearing that day, or also like whatever color my nails are that week. And as you guys know, I've been going through a real blue nail phase recently, so I've sort of been gravitating towards phone cases like this. But I think I'm going to change my phone case to this one now, as I haven't actually had a chance to use this one yet. I have used this one quite a few times though, and I think I showed you guys last time, but this one is really great because it's got my name on it and everything, so it's a little bit more personalized. Casetify's antimicrobial coating keeps your phone case germ-free. It also kills 99% of bacteria, and their impact and ultra impact cases are made with 50% recyclable materials so that you can feel good about your phone looking so great. Don't forget that you can also get 15% off your order today by going to casetify.com/JessElitzy, and this link will also take you to all my favorite cases. Anyways, that is all. Let's get back to this video. Beach in winter's nice because it's quiet.
Yeah, it's pretty. I think it's pretty rare to get sun. These are actually
What's our view like? Not bad. So I'm getting dressed and there's this skirt. It's the little mini black skirt from Zara. Or we also have this pinstripe skirt, which is from Acne. And then we have two top options.
Also the same.
No, they're so different. We have this one from Saks Potts. And then we have this one from Austin Iris.
You know what I would do?
Tell me what you would do, Nicholas.
I would wear the solid black skirt.
Okay, yep.
The second one.
The Zara skirt. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, with that, I don't know what you call that, like a
That
lacy white one. If you're, what are you wearing underneath that? A black bra?
A black bra and like a black blazer over the top.
Yeah, that would be stunning.
Okay, so it goes with the black blazer like this. And then there's also some black shoes.
That looks good. It's a bit more fancy.
Yeah, so once you get the sleeves done, obviously, because it looks a bit funny without the sleeves done, but it looks like this.
Yeah, I really like that. I think that looks good. And
Okay.
more fitting for the occasion.
What's the name of the restaurant again?
Ishizuka. Yeah, Ishizuka.
Wow. This is the entrance to the restaurant. Good afternoon, guys. Happy Wednesday. Actually about to head over to the new place and check out the lighting at this time of day because I'm gonna be doing a photo shoot this Saturday morning / afternoon, and I kind of just want to see what the lighting is there at that time of day. It's actually kind of pretty late in the day though. It's already almost 2 o'clock, so probably should have done this like a few hours ago now, but it's just been one of those days, so I didn't get there till now. And I'm also gonna film a little empty apartment tour while we are there. I don't typically drink coffee anytime after 9 AM because I'm convinced it makes me not sleep, and this is my second coffee for the day and it's like 2 o'clock, so best believe your girl ain't sleeping tonight. Anyways, let's go. Arrived. As you can see, this is the front door here, so I'm going to just like walk you guys through this place. Obviously I'm about to change the orientation, you're not going to be watching me the whole time, but let's get started. So here is the corridor and it goes 2 different ways. So this is into the lounge room and everything, and this one is just like into the first bedroom and the laundry. So starting with the laundry / powder room, we have a shower, we have a toilet, and then this is where the laundry is going to be. This is the first bedroom. This room is going to be my office / studio space. It also has this cupboard in here and it has a window here and on this side, but obviously don't want to show you guys my entire view. It has really high ceilings in this room, which I love, and it also has this really cute little balcony, which is literally perfect for plants and all that kind of stuff, and to put a little chair and table and stuff out there, and also just have like some fresh air when I'm working in here. And go back through the corridor this way. They actually left 3 mirrors here. We didn't add these in, they were just there when we bought the place. And here we go under the stairs. There's just this space here. I think we might eventually sort of build like a understair storage type thing, but for now obviously it's just an empty space. So this is the main area. This is like the dining room / living room, and as you can see we had our little picnic here the other night, that's why we've got that there. But we're going to have like a TV here and a couch, and then here we're going to have like an 8-person table and chairs. And as you can see, the ceiling is really high, and it's also a little bit echoey in here at the moment because there's obviously no furniture in here. So yes, but I'm obsessed with the high ceilings, and also the lighting in here is amazing, and it's literally such a gloomy crappy Melbourne day today, so this is ideal lighting. I'm sure if you've been following along on this little journey, you will already know this because I've mentioned it like 100 times, but we are actually going to be changing the black concrete to floorboards instead. So we're going to get that installed hopefully in July, which is why we're not actually moving in for a while still, because that's going to take a while to install. We're going to be doing like a white smoked chevron floorboards all through here and through the bedrooms and stuff as well. So we're not going to have carpet in any of the rooms. There are also 2 little balconies. You can sort of see they're a little bit dirty, so won't really go and spend that much time on them, but there is also another one over there as well. This is the kitchen. It's obviously a bit of a mess at the moment because this is pretty much where we've just been leaving everything when we come in, and obviously we've been having a bit of champagne and stuff to celebrate. It's got a really nice oven stove situation, and this was a little housewarming gift from Kat, in case you're wondering. We are thinking of changing these lights because they're just a little bit random, but I quite like the other lights in the room, so yeah, it's mainly these ones that are not really a vibe. We'll eventually make some relatively big changes to the kitchen. Like, we want to extend the kitchen island out a little bit and put some more cupboarding and stuff because there's not like a huge amount of cupboard space. I don't know about you guys, but the green-blue color is not really doing a lot for me, so I think it would maybe look a bit better if it was like a white tile or something, so we might change that. Anyways, this is the master bedroom, and we obviously need to add some kind of cupboard in here because there currently isn't any, but yes, we will do that. And this is the ensuite, which is actually really big. Like, it's much bigger than the bathroom that I currently have. So it's got a bath, as you can see, shower, toilet, and 2 basins, which is, hello, really great. It also has some more storage in here. And lastly, there is this little den slash loft thing upstairs, which I'll show you guys. So this is the little den loft area. I think we're going to turn this area into a walk-in wardrobe, and I'm just gonna have all my stuff up here and probably Nick's stuff as well, I guess. And then we're probably gonna turn this into a second bedroom slash living space. So if someone stays over, they can actually stay up here. Like, we'll have a TV and a sofa bed and everything. And in this corner, I think we'll put like Nick's desk and working from home area. Back down the stairs. This coffee is now cold. It was actually this exact day last year that I posted my very first video on YouTube, and that video was absolutely awful, so please don't go back and watch it. But the moral of the story is that I can't believe it's already been a year since I've been posting on YouTube. YouTube has given me such an amazing opportunity to actually connect with you guys in way more of a personal way than I ever was really able to on Instagram. And yeah, I don't know, I feel really sentimental about it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for following along over the last year and just being here for this journey, and for all your love and comments and everything on my videos. And yeah, just all of it, I really appreciate it. So just wanted to say that. I'm going to head back home now to the other home that you guys see me in most of the time. But yeah, I can't wait to get started in finishing everything and getting everything organized and just sort of giving this place like the Jess Elitesy touch. Like, at the moment, it's very much a blank canvas, and yeah, it sort of just needs like a homely touch to it, if you get what I mean. So I'm excited. It's gonna be really great. Okay, bye new home. We will see you very soon.